Right, we're gathered here today to go to the Alps. I don't know if my mic is working, hence why the audio is a bit weird, but we have got to make it now to Belgium, just south of Brussels, and then into Baden-Baden, and then into the Alps. We are going. Arriving into Mons. Done about, oh, however long from Calais. Oh yeah, let's not get run over by the so, oh, day one done. That was a schlep, but it's all good. Oh, is this what we're saying? We're staying in the prison, yeah? Alright, yeah, find a bay. Ooh, fucking slippery. Right, we have made it. Great success. Mons, Belgium. Departing from Hobby Moto because Steve's regulator or whatever, rectifier, is not rectifying. Right, let's go get breakfast. Mission for today is get to the Black Forest, Baden-Baden, really. We're in Belgium. Ricardo jumping on the R1. Problem with the alternator. Side stand. Yep. Problem with the alternator. The battery's not charging. So, yeah. All right. Get going. Get going. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. There you go. That's how you jump start an R1 that isn't having the battery charged. Right. We'll sort that out when we get to. Yeah, I'll disconnect the battery. Disconnect the battery. Charge the battery overnight. Put it back in. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I'll say we're Belgium right now. Where are we? We're kind of like. Where are we? Near Liège, I think. So straight down to the Black Forest. Roughly 350 miles more to go. What's he done? What's he done? Why did he stop it? Oh, he managed to get it going himself. All right, boys, let's get a wriggle on. Yeah, man, I want some Black Forest Gateway in my life. All right, you guys coming? Oh, hold on. Why did you turn it off? What? Oh, he stalled it. Okay. Cool. Right, ready to go? Let's just jump on the motorway. Right, as we plod along the Vosges. As we come into Baden-Baden, we've made it. We pick up, oh, that's a naughty reservoir. So we pick up this D4 departmental road through Strasbourg, and there begins the B500 in the Black Forest. We are in Deutschland, Baden-Württemberg. I mean, it's the best burg to be in. Right, so Oh, that's been a long day. What, 300 kilometers, 200 miles, just over, I think we've just done from Belgium today. Ooh. But we are here, and then tomorrow, so we do wind all the way down the B500 tomorrow. It's gonna be glorious. And we enter the Alps, so we've hit Luxembourg, Germany, France, Belgium already. So yeah, happy days. Oh, it's already scenic and lovely. Alright, let me try to get in front of these guys. Everyone's, where are they? They're in front of this lorry. A lot of traffic coming out of the B500 for whatever reason. So this is, yeah, we're on the B500 now. Why all the traffic? Is Baden-Baden really happening like that? Man, I fancy some wurst and a beer tonight for dinner. Boy, is that up there? Right. Yes, you specific. Well, go faster. Mate, quaint streets. All right. Not down there, not down there. Not down there. You've all gone. You've all gone. Okay, you guys, Josh, follow Ricardo, because I'm. As long as you're navving to the right place, it's the road behind you wanted to go down. All right, so them guys all got lost. I didn't. Right. And it should be over here on the, where is it? There it is on the, oh no. Ah, I can see it. And if we got to jump start Steve's bike again, luckily this has got a slight downhill. Oh, how nice is this? Amazing. Right, for now, let me figure out if I can, let me park there and unload.